Starting a business doesn't always mean inventing something new. Many times it's about taking a simple idea, improving it, and executing it better than everyone else. Today we're going to look at real businesses that you can adapt and scale in 2026. Let's start with a beverage printer. It's a perfect way to increase sales in your cafe or bar. This is a device that can be ordered from China and costs starting at around $300 depending on the model. It charges via USB and uses safe, edible food colorings. You can choose any text or image to decorate the drink. Sales increase instantly, and your venue starts appearing on social media through photos and videos of creative coffee or cocktail presentations. In the packaging world, paper tubes or cores are more important than they seem. A small machine can manufacture these durable cylinders, which are used in paper rolls, plastic film, or textiles. The initial investment is around $3,000, and production can reach up to 130 cores per minute. For small and medium-sized businesses, making their own cores means reducing costs and, at the same time, opening the door to selling them to other manufacturers. There are also very interesting opportunities and simple solutions for everyday problems. Self-adhesive panels for furniture repair have become especially popular among people who have cats. They are used to cover areas damaged by scratches and to protect armchairs, sofas, or chairs. They are durable, designed for pets, and can be matched to the color of the furniture. They can be sold as do-it-yourself kits, or by sending the material directly to the customer with low costs and a very clearly defined audience. In the world of sweets, innovation never stops. With a freeze-drying machine, candies, gummies, and other sweets can be transformed into airy snacks that look like popcorn. These puffed treats attract a lot of attention and can be sold both online and in cafes or stores. The investment is relatively low, and the potential for monthly profit can be quite good, all driven by public curiosity. Some businesses are not based so much on utility as on experience. In bars and nightclubs in the United States, for example, the so-called slap cocktail has gone viral. The dynamic is simple and controversial. The customer takes a strong shot, gets cold water splashed on their face, and receives a slap. The impact lasts a few seconds, and then the alcohol is felt more intensely. It's not for everyone, but the videos are shared massively and attract curious people to the venue. And when it comes to home-based ideas with high margins, personalized stickers for bank cards stand out for their simplicity. Designs with popular memes or custom requests are printed, with production costs that don't even reach 50 cents per unit. Even so, they sell for $2 and up, and orders tend to be consistent. It's clear proof that personalization continues to be a strong market. Another service that is in high demand in public spaces is gum removal. Professional gum removal machines combine heat, special products, or mechanical action to clean sidewalks, tiles, carpets, and sports surfaces without damaging them. They are widely used by municipal services, cleaning companies, and commercial property managers. Depending on power and accessories, their price ranges from $2,000 to $6,000, and their productivity can be adjusted to different levels of demand. For those who prefer to work from home, there are surprisingly profitable ideas. One of them is the production of heart-shaped gift boxes. They are sold to florists, candy shops, and gift businesses. Each box costs around 50 cents in materials and can be sold for several times that amount. No advanced technical skills are required, just time, organization, and a bit of creativity. Some ideas stand out for their originality. At weddings and parties, for example, alcoholic gelatin cakes have gone viral. They are made with drinks such as sake, vodka, or whiskey, and even though they contain alcohol, their flavor resembles a fruity gelatin dessert. One serving can replace a glass of wine or a shot, and the concept has attracted so much attention that many bakers are drawing inspiration from this trend that originated in Japan. When it comes to mobile businesses, the pet sector is not left behind. In the United States, the itinerant dog snack business is growing strongly. A van travels to different parts of the city and parks near dog parks to sell food, toys, and accessories. The vehicle itself draws attention and, when well managed, can generate stable income. For those looking for something simple and creative to do from home, making handmade bows and bow ties is a very attractive option. They are versatile accessories used by children and adults for celebrations, photo sessions, fashion, and even corporate gifts. The best part is that the materials are inexpensive, and the perceived value of the final product is high, thanks to the handcrafted work and design. In a completely different field, but just as profitable, there is green area maintenance. The remote-controlled mini-reel lawnmower was designed for demanding jobs and difficult terrain. It runs on a 196 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine, cuts tall grass without difficulty, and covers large areas thanks to its cutting width of nearly half a meter. It can operate on slopes of up to 45 degrees and is controlled remotely from almost 700 meters away. In addition, it allows the cutting height to be adjusted between 20 and 180 millimeters, and its speed ensures efficient work. With a starting price of around $900, or even less when purchased wholesale, it can pay for itself quickly through gardening services, often covering its cost after about 18 well-paid jobs. In the world of sweets and baking, efficiency makes all the difference. The Kazama chocolate coating machine is a compact and professional solution for evenly coating cookies, nuts, candies, and more. It has a capacity of 5 kilos and a drum with adjustable speed, allowing both thin and thicker coatings without wasting product. It is ideal for increasing production, improving quality, and reducing manual labor in confectionery businesses. If we talk about industrial automation, the nut and bolt packaging machine is an excellent option. This machine can package individual or combined pieces, operating at a rate of between 10 and 70 bags per minute. It supports different bag sizes and materials, and it is capable of counting between 1 and 20 pieces per package, even mixing up to 4 different types of items. It operates with a power of 220 watts and adapts to different industrial voltages. With a daily production of 10,000 units and a minimum profit per package, the investment is close to $3,000, and best of all, it can be recovered in just a few months. Another interesting option for starting a business is the Vibro Press machine, designed to manufacture concrete slabs, blocks, and curbs directly at the job site. Each cycle lasts around 30 seconds and allows the production of up to 2,000 pieces per day. Its cost ranges between $4,000 and $6,000, and it does not require specialized staff or complex maintenance. It runs on standard electricity, making it an accessible alternative for small businesses in the construction sector. Let's return to the food world with a trend that continues to grow: healthy food vending machines. Each unit works like a smart refrigerator, stocked with ready-to-eat meals such as salads, bowls, and nutritious snacks. They are placed in gyms, fitness centers, airports, or shopping malls, and they offer a real alternative to ultra-processed food, something more and more people are looking for. This is an unusual form of premium packaging for flower bouquets. Regular paper or standard boxes no longer impress, so some innovative florists have started using transparent plastic bags shaped like handbags. This attracts many buyers, and women love posting these unique bouquets on Instagram, boosting the product's popularity. A machine for producing paper coffee cups is a profitable solution for businesses focused on the cafe and retail segment. This equipment automatically feeds the paper, forms the cup, glues and seals the base. The installation cost starts at $3,000 depending on speed and production volume. The machine produces up to 500 cups per hour, making it possible to manufacture thousands per day. This business is suitable for entrepreneurs who work in packaging, food service, or wholesale orders. The payback period is around 6 months for a new business. However, if you manage to secure more affordable suppliers, it can take even less time. Have you ever tried a space burger? Its unique presentation and marketing made it very popular and increased its price by 20%. The bun and the filling are the same as in a regular hamburger. However, a special grill seals it and gives it the shape of the planet Saturn. The burger not only looks incredible, but it is also much more comfortable to eat. Anyone who loves burgers knows how easily they tend to fall apart. With this design, it becomes much easier to eat. In the agri-food sector, the grain crusher remains a solid investment. These machines allow different types of grain to be ground to produce flour or animal feed. They are used on farms, in mills, and in food production plants, and their price starts at around $600. Depending on the model, they can process up to 500 kilos per hour thanks to their rotary system, making them an efficient solution for a market with constant demand. Another simple but highly functional option is the machine for coating nuts and dried fruits. This is a compact piece of equipment that rotates the product inside a drum to evenly apply glaze, sugar, or salt. With an investment starting at $500, it is ideal for small snack and confectionery producers who want to give their products a professional finish without making things complicated. If we talk about businesses with constant demand, packaging never fails. Machines for manufacturing bubble wrap make it possible to produce rolls of protective material from polyethylene film, creating bubbles with 2 or 3 layers and in different sizes. With production that can reach up to 150 units per hour and an investment starting at $4,500, this type of equipment is ideal for logistics companies, online stores, and manufacturers of fragile products. The margin is attractive. Producing one roll costs around $5 and it sells for more than double that. And if thinking big is your thing, party trucks are setting a strong trend. These are trailers or trucks converted into spaces for parties and private events. They are rented by the hour, usually 6 hours or more, and each hour can cost from $2,000, not including drinks or food. Being a pioneer in this type of business within a city can make a huge difference in profitability. Some business ideas work because they reinvent something everyone already knows. A great example is this alternative to ice cream that both children and adults love. Frozen berries, with no colorings or preservatives, just fruit and natural flavor. To get started, all you need is a blast freezer. It's an accessible investment, and the format is perfect for selling in parks, shopping malls, food courts, or cafes, especially in warm climates. In the food world, visual trends also play a major role. Mini burgers have become a magnet for customers of all ages. They are small, eye-catching, and served with sauces, melted cheese, or creative sides. Even though they are still burgers, their presentation allows them to be sold at a higher price and makes many people want to try something different, which makes them more profitable than traditional versions. Another idea that combines experience and profitability is automation in donut preparation. These machines turn a manual process into fast and precise production. The dough goes into the mold, is shaped, and then moves directly to frying or baking with controlled times and temperatures. The result is complete consistency in size and quality, which is key for cafes, bakeries, and street stalls. In addition, they allow recipes to be adjusted and dozens of donuts to be produced per hour without complications. For beverages and desserts, presentation also adds value. Cup sealing machines make it possible to hermetically seal paper or plastic containers using heat, creating a secure and clean seal. The system automatically adjusts temperature and time according to the type of film and the size of the cup, making them ideal for juices, smoothies, bubble tea, or cold desserts. They are compact, easy to use, and allow high hygiene standards to be maintained while sealing dozens of cups per hour. In the entertainment world, remote-controlled vehicles have also evolved. Beyond the classic handheld controller, there is now an immersive experience where the user sits in a special seat with a steering wheel, pedals, and screens that even move along with the vehicle. This attraction can be installed at fairs, shopping malls, or events, and it can become a very profitable business if it is introduced for the first time in a city. Art can also be an important source of income. There are artists who create 3D paintings from home and sell them for more than $1,000 each. A striking example is car paintings with parts that extend out of the canvas, such as raised bumpers. These are impactful pieces, ideal for decorating homes, offices, or commercial spaces. The best part is that they do not require complex processes. They can be achieved using different materials and accessible techniques. The most profitable business ideas are born exactly where others see a problem. For example, in open spaces such as beaches, parks, festivals, or hiking trails, running out of battery power is almost inevitable. That's where solar power bank rental stations come in. Self-sufficient points with solar panels that automatically recharge the chargers. People rent a power bank for a few hours and can continue using their phone without relying on outlets or electrical grids. It's a practical, sustainable solution that is very easy to adapt to different environments. In cafes, small details can make a big difference. Some have started selling flower bouquets alongside coffee, creating a combo designed for gifting or simply to brighten someone's day. The packaging cost is low, but the complete set is sold at a higher price, turning it into a simple and highly emotional add-on sale. In the world of personalized gifts, small details make all the difference. Engraved leather keychains are a perfect example. With a stamping press, they can be quickly personalized with names, logos, or unique designs, turning an everyday object into a special keepsake. The cost of these machines starts at around $300, depending on capacity, and they allow the production of hundreds of pieces per month, making them ideal for souvenirs, corporate gifts, or design shops. In the industrial packaging field, the tape line GL210 is designed to apply adhesive to polypropylene or PVC tapes and automatically wind them into finished rolls. It can produce up to 60 rolls per hour, and each roll is used for dozens of final products. The investment is higher, between $7,000 and $10,000 depending on the width of the tape, but the margin is higher as well. The production cost per roll is low compared to the market selling price, which makes it ideal for recovering your investment. Not all profitable businesses require big futuristic ideas. Many work simply because they cover basic needs that never disappear. A good example is the manufacturing of toilet paper. Machines of this type transform cellulose into rolls ready for sale through a continuous process that includes unwinding the jumbo roll, perforating, embossing, rewinding, cutting, and packaging. There are options for different investment levels, from semi-automatic lines costing around $5,000 to fully automated systems that can reach up to $50,000. This makes them viable for both small ventures and large-scale factories. For those who produce cosmetics, cleaning products, or artisanal beverages, a manual liquid filling machine can be the key tool to professionalize the business. This equipment allows liquids to be dosed with precision into containers ranging from small 50 milliliter bottles to containers of several liters. Its price starts at around $300, making it accessible for entrepreneurs who are just getting started. Production depends on the operator's pace, but it can reach around 200 units per shift, which is more than enough for small workshops. This is a creative gift idea for tea lovers, tea bombs. They are a new trend and an easy business to start from home. Transparent sugar spheres are filled with different ingredients: black or green tea leaves, dehydrated fruits, and more. The infusion process is visually beautiful. Many people buy these tea bomb sets for themselves or as gifts. How can you serve any cold drink in a creative way and make it much more appealing? In Los Angeles, a local cafe came up with an unusual solution. A special plastic cup is coated with chocolate to create a base and then frozen. After that, any drink can be poured in, from iced coffee or cappuccino to different milkshakes. The cup is sealed and can be stored until it is sold. Then the customer breaks the chocolate cup, and delicious chocolate crumbs are formed. Many people record these unusual drinks and post them on social media, bringing new customers to the cafe who want to try them. The process of turning paper and cardboard into ready-to-use disposable plates becomes fully automated with the help of specialized equipment. Sheets of material are fed into a molding press where the machine cuts and shapes the plates to the required size and form, reducing the need for manual labor. The equipment is suitable for small to medium-scale production, cafes, canteens, and event catering, ensuring a steady flow of products. Its output capacity allows hundreds of plates to be produced per hour, and its simple controls and reliable construction make the process continuous and efficient. The soap-making process is taken to the next level with a soap stamping and packaging machine. This equipment adds embossed designs or attractive logos and automatically wraps the finished bars, speeding up production and increasing product appeal. Prices start at around $4,000, depending on the level of automation and speed. Without a doubt, this is a machine that can cover all your needs. Some business ideas seem strange at first glance, but that's exactly where good opportunities are hidden. A perfect example is mini bricks. Their production is surprisingly simple. Red clay is mixed with white cement and water until a thick paste is formed, poured into molds, and left to rest for 24 hours. The next day, the mini bricks are ready. Many people see them as a curious, almost decorative product and think they are not worth it because of their size or the low initial margin. In fact, a mold for 200 units costs between $4 and $7, and a single day of production barely covers that expense. However, these small bricks have a very specific use. Scale models, dioramas, and artistic projects, model makers are constantly looking for them and are usually willing to pay more than what it costs to produce them. The key to making the business work lies in scaling. More molds, more production, and higher sales volume. Subscribe to Successful Entrepreneur, like the video, and comment on which idea you would test first. Don't miss the next videos because you might find your path to success. Until next time.